Just kidding. It's spooky season. It's fall, y'all, but seriously, be safe with scissors. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. I am really excited. Apologies if there's a bit of an echo, but I'm in the living room and there's tile floors, so we're dealing with it. But I am going to be doing the unboxing of my first Treetopia tree. Well, technically it's my second, and I'm going to be decorating it with a Halloween theme, and that will be in another video. But this is going to be the unboxing so you can see what the Treetopia tree looks like. You can see me put it up. We're gonna have so much fun with this, so make sure you guys hit the like. Smash that like right now. It is spooky season, it's fall, y'all, and I'm feeling murdery. Just kidding, not murdery. Decoratively, if that's a word. All right, so this is the black tinsel tree. It's 7.5 feet with clear lights. Previously, I got a pink tree, and I'm in love with my pink tree. It's like a cotton candy pink tree. The only thing I would improve on the pink tree is I would have gotten a taller tree, because I got the 5 foot, and I need something at least as tall as my husband or taller, so 6 feet or above. So that's why I got the 7.5 foot one. So let's open up this box. I have to keep covering up my address on the box. Not that I don't trust you guys, but
I don't trust you guys.
I just love how tall it is, and I'm obsessed. So open other end. So look how great Treetopia is. They even give you instructions to open other end. So this is the wrong end. I'm gonna take the tape off. Okay, that didn't turn out as beautifully as I wanted. All right. I hope I don't destroy this tree with my opening skills. Okay. Okay, well, this is how I'm like really excited. I don't know if you guys know how excited I am, but just take all your aggression out on the box. This is not going well. Not Treetopia's fault. Definitely user error. Okay, this is where I'll add fun music and just a little speed it up so you guys don't have to watch me destroy. I am a woman.
I am woman. Hear me down.
My scissors broke, you guys. Don't do it like me. Definitely spatial relations. Yeah. That took too long. Okay, here we go, 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 here we go. It's open! I have wanted this black tuxedo tree for so long, since I first saw it on the Treetopia site like a few years ago, and I have been obsessed. I also want the orange one, so Treetopia. This is clearly going very well, so let's keep working together. Look at this! Oh my God, ASMR. So the great thing about Treetopia is when they send you a tree, they divvy it up. Not only do they divvy it up, but they tell you through beautiful tags how to put it together. So this is number 3. So you'll get very simple instructions that tell you where to put piece 3. So we're just unwrapping everything. Hello, lover. Holy, this is a big guy. Hi, friend. And you have so much bubble wrap to break. And this is piece 2. So obviously, you know, oops. Well, don't rip it off like that. So remember, you're part 2. This thing is gonna be huge, you guys.
Oh, I feel like Braveheart.
What's Braveheart say?
Freedom.
Huh?
Freedom. You can take my Halloween, but you can never take my freedom.
I think I was born to be an influencer. Am I? Oh, I just took off this. I don't know if that's anything important. No, it's not. Wait. It is. Okay. So this is obviously part 1. So you're gonna go 1, and then place 2 on top, and then 3 on top. And that's math. Who says girls are bad at math? I just did that really easily. They give you the stand that's the same color as your tree. So this is a black stand for a black tree. When I got my pink tree, I had a pink stand. That really makes a difference because you see some of these tree companies on Amazon, I've looked them up, and they have mismatching stands. If I'm a colorful tree person, why don't I want the color to go all the way to the bottom? Doesn't make any sense. Get on Treetopia's level. Get on our level. Let's put it together. Let me just move this out of the way. The first thing we're gonna put down in my location is going to be the tree stand. Probably sweep or vacuum the area that you're gonna put the tree on. I didn't, but I assume you're all much more responsible than me. So you're gonna wanna pull the tree stand out to the point where you see these little holes here. You're gonna be able to see through them, I believe. So oh, here we go. Bam! Look at that. Like, this is a no-go. This is oh, we're ready to go. So we'll just start screwing it in a little so that when we put the tree in, it just makes it a little bit easier. Okay, there we go, see? We're just gonna kind of hold it there. We don't want it to go all the way through because if it goes all the way through, you're gonna have a hard time putting your tree in there. All right, our tree stand. And I'm gonna pull it kind of farther out from the wall because I feel like this tree, once we fluff it up, we're gonna fluff it. It's gonna be massive. Let's go. Oh, there's just something about bubble wrap. So let's take this, our number one baby. I love you. Welcome to my home. See, you don't have to be like coordinated to do this. Look at me. So right away, I'm gonna start tightening it because I don't want this thing to fall over. So this is gonna be part of the little lights. Is this a plug-in? Oh, that's something I'm gonna have to take off. I wonder if I should just take it off now. Do I take it off? What does that say? I need my readers. I don't have readers.
Just don't take it off. I have to plug it
Do
in.
not detach. Do not detach. So here's the first plug-in that plugs in these lights to these lights. And it looks like unlocked versus locked. So, oh my God, look at it. If you push it this way, it's locked. So you're like, does not compute. But if you push it over very easily. Oh, there we go. Right? Okay. Then you might have to just stretch these out a minute. Just a little bit. Okay. And then you're gonna wanna, oh, nice, just plugs in right there. It fits in so perfectly, look at, okay. Oh, this thing is so tall, I'm gonna need a chair. Oh, I'm gonna need a chair. I need an adult. I need an adult. Okay, so just kind of push the branches down. Let me grab a chair. Hype man husband Chell will get you a closer look at the tree. All right, so probably better than a chair would be a step stool. If you have any kind of painting stool, step stool, small ladder, that'll work. I have this because my mom came to visit me and she was like, you don't have a step stool? And I was like, no mom, I'm a comedian, not a scientist, okay? Why would I have that? I just like to kind of grab Grab and spread and pull. Grab, spread, pull. Grab, spread, pull. This process might take a little longer, so I'm probably gonna do it, stop talking, and speed this up for a fun little segment. Let's go. This thing is so cool. You like that Kelly Clarkson song? Some people wait a lifetime for a moment like this. Some people wait forever for that one special treat. Oh, I can't believe this is happening to me. Some people wait a lifetime for a Treetopia tree like this. The big reveal, we're gonna plug it in. I fluffed it, I buffed it, but I'm probably gonna do some more fluffing as I decorate it. But for now, I think this looks really good. I mean, it's really plush. So excited. So let's plug in the tree and see if I connected all the right parts. 3, 2, 1. Oh my God. I am so in love. Take a look. Thank you so much for watching my Treetopia unboxing video. The tree is lit, it is fluffed. Next up is decorating, so stay tuned for that video, but make sure you guys smash the like. It disappeared in the back. Bye. It's so fluffy. I got you. You were scared. Admit it. You were scared. A little bit scared. Comment below. What do you think about this tree? What do you love? When are you gonna get it? Leave me all the comments in the comment section. Bye guys. I'm just gonna admire her for a while. Hey girl. I've been looking at you for a while online. Decided to take you home. You are thick. Oh my gosh, so thick. I love a thick tree. Spooky season's like my thing. I'll be here for you. I'm so excited. Pretty sure Treetopia is gonna want me to do all their commercials after.